This video demonstrates Ketchan's automatic linear induction brazing system for copper tubes and brass fittings. In this process, assembled components are conveyed through a linear induction coil, where precise electromagnetic heating causes the brazing solder to glow, melt, and flow into the joint by capillary action. Through accurate temperature control, each brazed joint achieves full penetration and perfect process consistency. Here, you can clearly see the smooth and solid appearance of the finished copper assemblies, a proof of Ketchan's high efficiency and precision-controlled induction brazing technology. Visit our website or contact us anytime. We're your trusted partner in advanced heating and brazing automation.